Dijkstra algorithm. Procedure to find shortest path in weighted graph. Okay, so we will discuss about this algorithm. So first we explain weighted graph. What is weighted graph? So a graph G is equal to V is called weighted graph if each is assigned with a non-negative real number. Okay, means this is a graph. So these are vertices, means A, B, C, D and E. Each is assigned with a non-negative real number, means A to B weight is 2, B to C, B to E weight is 4, here B to D weight is 3 and this is 1, means this is a weight. Okay, so this is called weighted graph. Now I want to explain shortest path, means from A to E there are so many ways, means A to B, B to E or A to C, C to D, D to E. So what is shortest path? So for this problem great mathematician Dijkstra obtained an algorithm so known as Dijkstra algorithm. Okay, so what is the working rule of this algorithm? Okay, working rule of Dijkstra algorithm. Okay, so first we will explain steps of this algorithm. So first step is, first we will remove all loops and parallel edges if exist. Okay, for example, this is a graph. So in this graph, no loop and parallel edge, means neither any loop nor any parallel edge. So no need to use this first step. Okay, but if in this graph, here this is a loop, this is parallel edge. So first we will remove this loop and parallel edge. Okay, so this is the first step. Second step, we will put 0 at source vertex and infinity remaining vertex. Okay, what is source vertex? So initial vertex is called source vertex. Here A is source vertex, initial vertex, okay, or starting vertex. So this is a source vertex. Okay, so first we put 0 at source vertex and infinity all remaining vertices. So this is the second step. Okay, what is third step? Third step is we will mark the smallest value and write that vertex in first column. Okay, means this is first column, this is first column. So here we will write 0 in source vertex and infinite remaining. Okay, and this vertex we will put here in first column. Okay, now next step is find all vertices which are directly connected. It means next we will see very carefully, means how many vertices which are directly connected to first vertex, means source vertex. Suppose this is source vertex, so there are B and C are directly connected. So only we concentrate only these two vertices. Okay, and we will put smallest value. Okay, and then we will update from mark vertex by this formula. What is the formula? Formula is new destination value is equal to minimum of old destination value comma mark value plus edge weight by using this formula. So I will explain very nice example. So this method will be very clear. Okay. So find shortest path. Why? This is the algorithm. So this is a graph. So you calculate the shortest path for this graph. Okay. So first we will see the what is the method means what is the step. So you see we will apply the following steps. First we will remove all loops and parallel edges if these are exist. Okay, so in this graph there are no any loop or no any parallel edge, so no need to use first step. Okay, next step is we will put 0 at source vertex and infinity remaining vertices. So here source vertex is A, so we will put here 0 and infinity remaining vertices. Okay, now here we see what is the smallest value, so 0. So we mark here 0 and we mark vertex, we will write below this column, so here A. Okay, so now you concentrate on A. Okay, means this vertex. So how many vertices directly connected to A? So there are B, D and E. Okay, so you will write in next step A to B 2, so 0 plus 2, 2, D 0 plus 3, 3 and E 0 plus 2, 2. Okay, so this is the second step. And remaining vertex means below C, this is the old value, these are copy. Okay, this will be copy. So this is the second step. Now you see what is the minimum value. So here B and E means vertex B and vertex E has minimum value. So you can take anyone, but by alphabetically we will take B. So we first mark B. Okay, and we will write the vertex, marked vertex here B. Okay, so this is the next step. Now we will use the formula for next step. What is the formula? Formula is that new destination value is equal to minimum of old destination value comma marked value plus age weight. Okay, so we shall use this formula for next step. So here you see carefully, here 2 is marked value, so you concentrate on B. So here B. So how many vertices directly connected to B? So here A, D and C. But since A has marks, so no need to touch. Okay, this is already completed. Okay, so B to D. So we concentrate for D. So what is the formula? So formula is that minimum of old value. What is old value? So old value of D is 3. So 3. What is the marked value? Marked value is 2. So here 2 plus. What is the weight? So B to D is 4. So this is 4. So 3 and 4, 6. So minimum of 3 and 6 is 3. So we will write below D is 3. Okay, so here 3. And next vertex is B to C. Okay, so again we will use the formula minimum of old value. So what is the old value of C? So old value of C is infinite. So we will write here infinite comma what is the marked value? 2 plus weight is 2, so 2 to 4, this equal to 4. So we will write below C is 4. Okay, so this is 4. Now these will no change because these are not direct connected, so we will copy 2 and infinite. Okay, no need to touch this B because B has completed. Now you see very carefully in these values what is the minimum. So 2 is minimum. For which vertex? E. So you concentrate E. Okay, you concentrate E. Where is E? E is here. So how many vertices direct connected to E? So here A and F. So since A has marked, so no need to touch A. Only we will see for F. So E to F. So what is the formula? Formula is minimum of old value. So what is the old value of F? So old value of F is infinity. So infinity. What is marked value? So marked value is 2. So here 2 plus what is weight? So E to F is 3. So here 3. So infinity 5. Minimum of this thing is 5. So we will write 5 below F. Okay. So here 5. And remaining vertices we will put same copy. Okay. 4 and 3. Now we will see very carefully in this value which value is minimum. So this is minimum. Okay, so now here this is E, so we put here E. Okay, now this is D, so we will put here D. So no need to touch for this vertex. Okay, now so here minimum value is D, so you see carefully D. Where is D? So here D. How many vertex connected to D? So here A, B, C and F. So since A has marked, so no need to touch A. Similarly, B has marked, so no need to touch. Now C and F. So here connection of D is C and F. So only we will see very carefully C and F. So from D to C, so what is the formula? Formula is minimum of old value. So what is the old value of C? So old value of C is 4. Old value of C is 4. So we put here 4, comma. What is marked value? Marked value is 3. This is 3. So 3. What is weight? So D to C is 2. D to C is 2. So you write 3 plus 2. So 4 and 5, minimum of 4 and 5 is 4. So we will write below C 4. Okay. So below this is 4. Okay. Now from D to F. So what is the old value of F? So you see here 5. So 5 is old value. So this is minimum of 5, comma. Marked value. What is marked value? So 3. What is weight? Means D to F 4. So 4. So 4 plus is 7. Minimum of 5 and 7 is 5. So we will write 5 here. 5. Okay. Now 4 and 5, what is minimum? So 4 is minimum. Okay. And vertex is C. So we will write C here. Okay. Now from we see vertex C. So how many vertices directly connected to C? So here B, D and F. Since B has marked, also D has marked, so no need to touch B and D. Only we will see F. So how we calculate? So old value of f is 5. Okay, so by the formula, minimum of old value, what is the marked value? 4. Marked value is 4. So we will write here 4 plus weight. What is weight? Weight is 2. So 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 and 6. Minimum of 5 and 6 is 5. Okay, so this is the last value and we will write here 5 and this is last. Okay, so you see here f. So this is shortest path, means if you want to start journey from A, so this is A means source vertex A to B 2 and A to C 4, C to D 3 and then for E 2 and for F 5. Okay, so this is the shortest path and these are weight. Okay, so this is very easy to explain. So now this is a very nice example by using Dijkstra algorithm. Okay, so find the shortest path by Dijkstra algorithm. So this is a graph. So first you see how many vertices. So there are 6 vertices. So first you put vertices A, B, C, D, E, F. And here we will write marked vertices. Okay. Now, what is first step? First step is, first we will remove all loops and parallel edges if exist. So in this graph, no any parallel edges and no any loop. Okay, so no need to use this step. Now, second step. What is second step? We will put 0 at source vertex and infinity remaining vertices. So source vertex is A. So we will put here 0 and infinity remaining all vertices. Okay. Now next step, we will mark smallest value. So here smallest value is A, means 0. So we will mark here 0. Okay, and we will write this vertex in marked, so A. Okay, now you concentrate this vertex A and watch how many vertices direct connected to A. So here B and C. Okay, B and C. So this is first step is very easy because we will write only 0 plus 4, 4. So below C 4 and below B 1. Okay, and remaining vertex we will write same thing because these are not direct connected. So copy of this value infinity. Okay, one thing also remember, since A has marks, so no need to touch here A. Okay, no need. Now you see very carefully what is the minimum value. So minimum is 1. So you mark 1 and for which vertex? B. So you write here B here. Okay, and concentrate on vertex B. Where is B? So B is here. Okay, now you see how many vertices direct connected to B. So A, C, E and D. But A has marked, so no need to touch A. Okay, so we will calculate only C, D and E, means C, D and E. Okay, so for C we will use the formula. What is the formula? Formula is minimum of old destination, means what is the old destination of B? Sorry, B to C. So what is the old destination is B see 4. So we will write here 4, comma. What is the marked value? 1 plus. So 4, 1 plus. What is weight? So weight is 2. Okay. So 2 plus 1, 3. So 4, 3. Minimum of 4 and 3 is 3. So we will write here 3. So here we will write 3. Okay. Now B2D. So same formula. What is the formula? Minimum of old destination means old value of D. Old value of D is infinite. So infinite. Marked value is 1 plus what is weight? Weight is 7. So 7 plus 8. So minimum of infinite and 8 is in 8. So we will write 8 below D. Okay. Now B to B to C, B to D, now B to E. So B to E, again we will use the formula minimum of what is the old destination of E. So here E is infinite. What is marked value 1 plus weight is B to E 5. So this is 6. Okay. So here 6. And since this is not direct connected, so we will write as it is. Now, which value is minimum? So 3. So we will mark 3. Okay, here 3. So this has been used. No need. This has been used. Now you concentrate on C. So we will write here C. So here C is here. How many vertices direct connected to C? So A, B and E. But A and B has already marked. So don't touch. Okay. So only we use C to E. Okay. So what is the formula? So formula is minimum of old destination. So what is the old value of E? So old value of E is 6. So 6. And marked value. So what is marked value? Marked value is 3. So here we write 3 plus what is the weight? 1. So 6, 4. Minimum of 6 and 4 is 4. Okay. So we will write here C to E 4. And remaining vertices we will write as it is because no direct connection. So this is 8 and this is infinite. And what is minimum value? So 4 is minimum value. So we mark 4. Okay. And vertex is E. So we will write here E. Now no need to touch E. So first we concentrate on E. Where is E? E is this. How many vertices direct connected to E? So C, B, D and F. But no need to touch C, B because C has completed, B has completed. Now we need D. So what is the formula? So formula is minimum of old destination. So old destination you concentrate E. So E to D. So what is the old value of D? 8. So you write here 8. What is marked value? 4 plus what is the weight? This is marked. Weight is E to D is 3. So 7. Okay. Minimum of 8 and 7 is 7. So we will write here 7. Okay. So below D we will write 7. Okay. Now E to D and E to F. Okay. Because E to B has completed. E to C has completed. E to D and E to F. So E to D has been calculated. Now E to F. So again we will use formula. What is formula? Formula is minimum of old destination of F. So infinity marked value 4. What is the weight? Weight is 6. So 4 plus 6, 10. Infinite 10 is equal to infinite 10. Okay, so this will be 10. Now you see 7 and 10. What is minimum? So minimum is 7. So we will mark 7. Okay, and vertex is D. So we will write here D. Now you concentrate. You drop here. You concentrate on D. This is D. So how many vertices direct connected to D? So here B, E and F. But B and E has completed. So no need to touch here. So only we see D to F. Okay. So D to F, what is the formula? Again, we will use the formula D to F. So minimum of old destination of F10, marked value 7, weight 2, so this is 9. Okay, so we will write here 9. Okay, what is the value? We will write 9. This. So only this is last value, so we marked here. So here F. Okay, so now this is very easy to see. What is the shortest path? You see, this is source vertex A. So if you want to reach A to B, so minimum weight is 1. Okay, A to C 3, A to D 7, A to E 4, A to F 9. Okay, so this is the route. A to B, B to C, C to E, E to D, D to F. So this is the shortest path. Okay. Now find the shortest path by Dijkstra logarithm of the following graph. Okay. So this is a graph. This is a graph. So first we will use our working rule. Means first step is first we will remove all loops and paralleles if exist. So in this graph, no any paralleles, okay, and no any graph. So we will leave this step. Next step is we will put 0 at source vertex and infinity remaining vertices. So source vertex is A. You can take any vertex is source vertex, means starting vertex. You are free. Okay, so suppose A is source vertex. So you put here 0 and infinity remaining vertex. Okay, this is the first step. Now what is the smallest value? So smallest value is 0. So you mark this and you write here A, because this is marked vertex. This is marked vertex. Now next step, you concentrate on A, means how many vertices direct connected to A. So here B and D and E. Okay, so because this is first step and here 0, so no need to use formula. So we will write below B 10, below D 30, below E 100. Since remaining vertex are not direct connected, so we will write as it is infinity. Okay, also you remember we don't touch A because A has marked. Okay, now you see which value is minimum here. So 10 is minimum, so you marked 10. This is marked value. And what is the vertex? So B, so you write here B. Okay, you concentrate on B. So here is B, so B is here. So how many vertices direct connected to B? So A and C. But A has marked, so no need to touch A. Okay, so we concentrate only C. So B to C. So we will use the formula for B to C. What is the formula? Formula is minimum of old destination marked value plus weight. Okay, so this equal to minimum of from B to C. So what is the old destination of C? So infinity. So here infinity. What is marked value? 10. Marked value is 10 plus what is the weight? Weight is 50. So 50. Okay. So this is 60. So we will write below C 60. Okay. And no any vertex direct connected to B. So we will write as it is values means 30 and 100. Since we has marked, so we will not touch now. Now we carefully see what is the minimum value. Minimum value is 30, so we mark 30 and these vertex, so we will write here. Okay, now we concentrate on D. Where is D? So D is here. How many vertices direct connected to D? So C, A and E. So since A has marked, so no need to touch A, only C and E. So now again we apply formula. So D to C. What is the formula? Formula is minimum of old value. So what is the old value of C? Old value of C is 60. So we will write 60. What is marked value? Marked value is 30. So 30 plus weight. So D to C is 20. So 60 and 50. Minimum of 60 and 50 is 50. So we will write below C 50. Okay. Now D to E. Again we will write formula. So minimum of what is the old value of E? So what? 100. So here 100. What is marked value? 30 plus weight 60. So 90, 190, minimum of 190 is 90. Okay, so we will write here 90. So you see what is the minimum? We will not touch this value. So minimum of 50 and 90 is 50. So you mark 50 and we will write the vertex C here. Okay, now we concentrate C. So where is C? C is here. How many vertices direct connected to C? So B, E and D. You see carefully. So B has marked, so no need to touch. D has marked, so no need to touch. Only C to E. So again we will use formula C to E. So what is formula? Formula is minimum of old destination of E. So 90, old destination of E is 90. And what is marked value? Marked value is 50. So we will write 50 plus weight. So C to E, what is the weight? Weight is 10. So here 10. So 90 and 60. Minimum of 90 and 60 is 60. So we will write here 60. Okay. So here 60. Now this has been completed. Only E. So this is marked. Okay. So now we will write this vertex here. Okay. So this has complete. Now, so what is the shortest path? So you see this is starting point. A is starting point. So if you want to go A to B, so shortest path A to B weighted graph is 10. A to C is 50. D 30 and E 60. Okay. So this is the shortest path from A to E. Now this is last 60. And if you want to check how we get 60, so from A to E, okay, so you can see very carefully. Now find shortest path by Dijkstra algorithm of the following graph. Okay, so first you see your graph. There are 6 vertices. So you put vertices. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, Z. Okay, so your first we will see our graph very carefully. Means there is no any loop and no any parallels, because first step is we remove loops and parallels. So in this graph no any loop and no any parallels. Okay, now second step is that we will put 0 at source vertex and infinity remaining vertices. So source vertex is A, so we will put here 0 and infinity remaining. Okay, this. Now for these values, smallest value is 0, so mark here and we will write this vertex A. A is marked vertex. Okay, now you concentrate on A. Okay, here A. So how many vertices direct connected to A? So B and C. Okay, so now A to B 1, so 0 plus 1 1. A to C 4, so 0 plus 4 4. Since these vertices are not direct connected, so we will write same values, means copy of these values. Okay, next step is that what is the minimum value? So 1 is minimum. Okay, and what is vertex? B. Now you see very carefully, means we will not touch A because this is marked, this is marked. Okay, next step is we concentrate on B. So where is B? B is here. Okay, so how many vertices direct connected to B? So A, C, E and D. But A has marked, so no need. Only we will see B to C, B to D, B to E. So B to C. So what is the formula? Formula is, we will use, formula is minimum of old destination. So what is the old destination of C? So this is 4. So minimum of 4 comma marked value. What is marked value? 1. So 1 plus weight is 2. Okay, so here 2 plus 1 3. Minimum of 4 and 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so we will write here 3. Here 3. So B to C complete. Now B to D. B to D again formula. So what is the old value of D? So old value of D is infinity. So infinity comma minimum of infinity comma, what is the marked value? 1. So 1 plus weight 7. So this is 8. Okay, so here 8. Now B to E. So again formula B to E. So for B to E, minimum of what old value of E is infinity. So infinity. What is marked value? Marked value is 1. So here 1 plus what is weight? Weight is 5. Okay, so this is 6. So we will write here 6. Okay, now since this is not direct connected, so we will write as it is infinity. So now we will check what is the minimum value of these values, means 3, 8, 6, infinity. So 3 is minimum. Okay, we will mark and we write C. We will not touch this thing. So now you concentrate on C. So here C. How many vertices direct connected to C? So A, B and E. But A and B has marked, so no need to touch. So C to E only. So again we use formula. So C to E we will use formula. So formula is minimum of old value. What is the old value of E? So 6 marked value 3 plus weight 1, so 3 plus 1. So this is 6 and 4. Minimum of 6 and 4 is 4. So here C to E is 4. Okay. Since D and Z are not direct connected, so we will write as it is value. Okay, 8 and infinity. Now what is the minimum value? So minimum value is 4. So we marked this thing. And what is the vertex? Vertex is E. So we will write here E. Now you concentrate E. How many vertices direct connected to E? So C, B, D and Z. But C has marked, B has marked only D and Z. Okay. So we calculate for D. So for D, E to D. Only you see E to D. So what is the formula? Formula is minimum of old value. So old value of D 8. So here we will write 8. What is marked value? 4 plus what is weight? So E to D. E to D 8. So we will write 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 8 and 12. Minimum of 8 and 12 is 8. So here we will write E to D 8. Now E to Z. So again we will use formula. So E to Z formula is minimum of old value. Old value of Z is infinite. Marked value 4 plus weight is 6. So this is 10. Okay. So this is 10. So this is 10. And since this is marked, so no need. Now what is minimum? So 8 is minimum. So we mark 8. Now where is 8? 8 is D. So we will write here D. Now here D. So now concentrate on D. So how many vertices direct connected to D? So D to B, D to E, D to Z. But E and V has marked. So no need. We will use only D to Z. So D to Z, what is the formula? Formula is minimum of old value of Z. So 10. Old value of Z is 10. So 10. Marked value is 8. So 8 plus weight is 3. So 8 plus 3. So this is 10. Okay. So here we will write 10. Okay. So D to Z. This has completed. So now this is marked. So now here Z. Okay. So this is the shortest path. Shortest path of this graph is this thing. Okay. So A to Z. This is the shortest path.